Good morning children. Today I am going to explain lesson number 9, weather and seasons. Weather and seasons. See, before video we have learned about nature's gift. That is lesson number 7. And lesson number 8 is learning about time. So this lesson we are deleting in social subject because we are having this topic in maths. So learning about time we will learn in maths subject. So that's why I am not explaining about learning about time lesson number 8. So now coming to lesson number 9, weather and seasons. Weather and seasons. So what is weather? What is weather? See, the day to day change in the condition of air of a place is called weather. The day to day change in the condition of air of a place is called weather. See here, sometimes when you get up in the morning, the weather may be cloudy, and in the afternoon the weather will be too hot. See, morning it is cloudy and in the afternoon it is too hot. So there is change. Morning one type of weather and in the afternoon another type of weather. So the change, the condition of the air of a place is called weather. Is it clear children? Now coming to seasons. What is a season? See, a year is divided into different periods. Periods means months according to the weather. These periods are known as seasons. See, in a year we are having different periods. Different periods means different months. What are those months? How many months we are having? We are having 12 months. 12 months. What are those 12 months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So total 12 months we are having. These 12 months make 1 year. These 12 months make 1 year. So this year is divided into different periods according to the weather. These periods are known as seasons. Now coming to seasons in India. How many seasons we are having in India? And what are they? See here, we are having 5 seasons in India. What are those seasons? Spring season, summer season, monsoon season. Monsoon season is also known as rainy season. Autumn and winter. These are the 5 seasons we are having. Now just we learn about spring season. See here, spring season comes between winter and summer season. In between winter season and summer season. Winter season starts in December and January. And summer season April and May. So in between these 4 months, what are those 2 months? February and March. February and March. So spring season comes between in months of February and March. Is it clear children? So what are the fruits we get in spring season? See here, grapes, lemons, oranges and apricots are the fruits we get in spring season. See here, in spring season, new leaves grow on the trees. See how the leaves are green in color. So new leaves grow on trees. And the weather will be neither too hot or neither too cold. See, in winter season the weather will be cool and in summer season the weather will be too hot. So flowers bloom in spring season and the weather will be neither too hot nor too cold. So now coming to summer season. Coming to summer season. See, in summer season starts in April and May. Summer season starts in April and May. So in summer season, how the weather will be? The weather will be too hot. See, you will be getting summer holidays. Why you are getting summer holidays? Because the weather will be too hot. That's why you will be getting the holidays. So summer season starts in April and May. So what are the fruits you'll get in summer season? Mangoes, watermelons and jamun. See here, watermelons, jamuns, mangoes are the seasonal fruits of summer season. Is it clear, children? And as the weather is very hot, you like to drink cool drinks and you want to eat ice creams. Why? Because they will be very cold. Understood? So, this is about summer season. And now coming to monsoon season. Monsoon season is also known as rainy season. Is it clear, children? See, when the monsoon season will come, in which months? June to September. June to September means 4 months. June, July, August, September. So these 4 months are monsoon seasons. Is it clear, children? And what are the fruits we get in monsoon seasons? Guavas, jamuns and apples. See here, guavas, jamuns and apples you'll get in this season. And when it is raining, what you will use? We will use umbrellas. We will use umbrellas. And we use raincoats, jackets. Why we use? When it is raining, if you catch the umbrella or if you wear raincoats, that you will not become wet. Is it clear, children? So, this is about monsoon season. Monsoon season comes between June to September. And the fruits are guavas, jamuns and apples. And we wear raincoats, jackets and we use umbrellas in monsoon season. And coming to autumn season. See here, when the autumn season will come? In the months of October and November. In the months of October and November. And what are the fruits we get in autumn season? Apples, pumpkins. See the pumpkins here. Apples and pumpkins we get in autumn season. And what clothes you will wear? Light woolen clothes. Light woolen clothes. Why we wear light woolen clothes? Because the weather will be lightly cool. That's why we wear light woolen clothes. And here, trees shade their leaves. Can you see the leaves? All the brown color leaves, they will be falling. And in spring season, new leaves grows on trees. But whereas in autumn season, trees shade their leaves. All the leaves will be going brown color, leaves will fall down, and in spring season the new leaves will come. Is it clear, children? And so this is about autumn season. Autumn season comes in the month of October and November, and the fruits are apples and pumpkins, and we wear light woolen clothes in autumn season, and trees shade their leaves during autumn season. Is it clear, children? Now coming to the last season. What is the last season? Winter season. So, when the winter season will start? In the months of November, December and January. November, December and January, 3 months. And what are the fruits we get in winter season? Oranges, guavas. Oranges and guavas. And how the weather will be in winter season? The weather will be very cold. We wear sweaters, monkey caps. When we are sleeping, we'll keep the blankets. Why? Because the weather will be very cold. And in that season, we like to drink hot coffee, hot milk, tea, like that. Is it clear? And when you go to picnics or some other places, you'll keep the fire and you want to sit near the fire to become warm. And hilly stations, snow will be falling there. Like Darjeeling, when you go to Darjeeling, there the weather will be too cold. Is it clear, children? So this is about winter season. Winter season starts in the month of November, December and January. Fruits are oranges and guavas, and we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes like sweaters, monkey caps, blouses. Why? To keep our body warm. To keep our body warm because the outside the weather will be very cold. So we have to keep our body warm by wearing the woolen clothes. Is it clear, children? So these are the 5 seasons. What are those 5 seasons? Spring season, summer season, monsoon season, autumn and winter. So these are the 5 seasons of India. I hope you have understood the lesson number 9, weather and seasons. After watching the video, read the textbook with the help of your parents. Thank you.